Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Seven-day GM diet plan for weight loss. The original GM diet plan was developed by General Motors with the help of the Food and Drug Administration and the United States Department of Agriculture in 1985 for its employees. The idea was to make these employees healthier and in the process improve workforce productivity. The initial results were impressive. The workers underwent significant weight loss in just a week and showed improved result in a significant weight loss in the span of a week. The idea is to limit one's weekly diet to just fruits, vegetables, brown rice and chicken. The plan initially designed for the employees of General Motors is as shown below. Here you can see the table chart of their diet plan. GM Diet Plan Indian version. The Indian version of the GM diet plan would not change very much from the original version. While the original GM diet allows the consumption of meat in the form of beef, this would have to be replaced in India since a sizable portion of the population does not consume beef. While the non-vegetarians can still consume protein in the form of chicken on day 5 and 6, the vegetarians can replace the meat with a cup of brown rice. GM Diet Day 1. Start the diet by consuming as many fruits as you wish to on the very first day. There are no specific instructions on when one should eat them. However, watermelons and muskmelons are highly recommended since they contain high amounts of fiber. You can also include apples, oranges and papaya in your diet. Another important part of the diet would be to consume 8 to 12 glasses of water in the day. One must avoid starving at any point of the day. If you are hungry at any time, feel free to eat some fruits and satisfy your hunger. These fiber-rich and low-fat foods keep an individual full for longer, thereby reducing an individual's calorie intake. The higher water intake will also serve to flush out the toxins from the body and prepare it for the rest of the diet. On day 1, avoid any kind of vegetables completely. Among fruits, it is ideal to stay away from bananas. Day 1 should feel a little easier since the monotony of the food would be yet to kick in. Stick to the plan and feel active and energetic. GM Diet Day 2. The second day of GM diet involves eating only vegetables. These veggies can be consumed or can be cooked in order to make them palatable. Ensure that there is no oil involved in their preparation. While eating potatoes deep fried or even a packet of your favorite brand of chips may not be allowed, you can snack on vegetables at any time of the day if you are hungry. If absolutely required, olive oil or butter can be used sparingly for flavor. Vegetables contain all the nutrients that you need to sustain the body. You get the necessary carbs from potatoes, protein from peas, and carrots and beans are packed with fiber and all essential vitamins. After a relatively low carb day 1, this will help restore the carbohydrate content in the body. In turn, this will further provide you with enough energy to keep the diet going. Unlike the first day, you must stay away from fruits altogether on day 2. GM Diet Day 3. On the third day of diet, one must stick to eating a combination of fruits and vegetables. These foods could be the same as that consumed in the first. In addition to replenishing your body and giving the body all the nutrients it needs, this variety will also help satisfy your taste buds and break the monotony of the first 2 days. On this day, one must take care to avoid the consumption of bananas and potatoes. GM Diet Day 4. The bananas that were avoided over the first 3 days can finally be consumed on the 4th day. One must consume 8 bananas over the course of the day. The consumption can be split across the day's meal and snack times. In addition to that, one should also consume a big glass of milk each at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In case this becomes monotonous, a bowl of soup can be included in the diet. Bananas are rich in protein and hence they help in digestion. They also provide one's body with the instant energy they need. They are also high in potassium, apart from being low in salt. Additionally, the milk one consumes on this day is also a great source of potassium and calcium. Thanks to being fortified with vitamin D, the milk further helps strengthen bones. On day 4, one must completely avoid snacking on fruits other than bananas. Potatoes and sweet potatoes must be ignored as well. You could also substitute bananas and milk with fig and soy milk. GM Diet Day 5. On day 5, vegetarians can opt to eat a bowl of brown rice, while non-vegetarians can consume a lean protein source like fish or chicken breast. In addition to that, one must also eat 6 large tomatoes. While vegetarians can eat a bowl of brown rice for lunch, care must be taken to ensure that minimal oil is used for cooking. Combat the high amounts of uric acid that your body will be producing by drinking up to 15 glasses of water every day. Non-vegetarians can eat about 500 grams of baked or lightly fried skinless chicken along with the 6 tomatoes. Brown rice is rich in fiber and helps with digestion. At the same time, chicken and fish are excellent sources of lean protein. Additionally, fish also has omega-3 fatty acids. The high fiber in tomatoes mean they aid digestion too. It is important to avoid potatoes and sweet potatoes among vegetables and bananas among fruits that were recommended earlier in the week. One can also have a bowl of GM Diet soup as part of the mid-morning or evening snack. GM Diet Day 6. Day 6 of the GM diet requires the individual to have cooked or uncooked vegetables. Vegetarians can opt for a cup of brown rice while non-vegetarians can include a lean protein source like fish or chicken breast in their diet. Another relatively high food intake day, the 6th day, also follows a pattern similar to the previous day with the addition of cooked or uncooked vegetables. One must make sure that the vegetables are boiled and not fried. The salad should not have any heavy dressing either. Non-vegetarians can consume up to 500 grams of skinless chicken along with vegetables apart from tomatoes and potatoes. In addition to the previous day's foods, the mix of the vegetables on day 6 also provides the fiber the body requires. Ideally, one must avoid all fruits along with potatoes and sweet potatoes. On the 6th day, the weight loss will now be visible. GM Diet Day 7. On the last day of the 7-day plan, one would need a cup of brown rice, an assortment of vegetables and fruit juice. One can eat a cup of brown rice along with a bowl of boiled vegetables for lunch. Drink sugarless fruit juice after every meal or snack to complement the nutrient-rich vegetables. The rice and vegetables will provide the body with some much-needed energy to keep the body going right through the day. The fruit juices will help my paper flush out the toxins from the system. As with the previous 6 days, one must avoid certain foods on the 7th day as well. It is advisable to stay clear of vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes, whereas fruits like banana, cherry, mango and pear are to be avoided as well. GM Diet Soup Recipe. The GM Diet Soup is an important part of the diet. It can be consumed in relatively higher quantities on any day, in order to make sure that one doesn't go hungry. Ingredients: 1 cabbage, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 6 large onions, 2 green peppers, a bunch of celery, half a liter of water. Preparation: chop the onions and peppers, place them in a pot and saute them in olive oil till they turn mild brown. Then cut the tomatoes, celery and cabbage. Now add them to the pot along with water. It takes about 60 minutes for the soup to get cooked. The vegetables must be boiled and left to simmer. Now season the soup with some salt and pepper and enjoy a bowl of delicious soup. GM Diet Side Effects. The GM diet is popular the world over. However, they have several side effects that need to be considered before one chooses to follow the diet. Although the diet may help you lose weight quickly, it is high in fiber but low in protein, carbs, and fats. Due to this, your body may not receive the nutrients it requires. The GM diet can lead to metabolic slowdown in your body. While your weight loss may not be affected initially, this would make it difficult to maintain your body weight. The body would use all the fluids in the diet for metabolism. The diet could therefore lead to dehydration. The other possible side effects of the GM diet also includes weakness, headaches, and hunger pangs. Expert review. GM diet is a crash diet that goes against the principles of a balanced diet. Though the weight loss or the results are pretty quick and evident, the long-term effects are more damaging. Since you undergo a drastic change in your regular eating routine, the body sheds weight, and when you resume your normal weight, one gains as much or more weight than they lost. It is personally believed that any diet which requires you to stop eating your day-to-day regular staple food is not sustainable. Weight management requires consistently good eating habits and a balanced diet with all nutrients. Avoid following an unrealistic diet that requires extra effort to change your lifestyle completely, and put the same effort into balancing your daily meals. This will help maintain a good lifestyle change and ensure sustainable weight management. Summary. By focusing on the consumption of complex carbs and low calorie foods, the GM diet plan almost guarantees weight loss. However, following the GM diet could lead to an individual not receiving the nutrients they require. In addition to that, it could also make it difficult to maintain one's body weight after the diet has helped one lose weight.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.